Hello everyone, my name is Ria. I'm from Asia Group. As you all know, our company organizes daily job fair like Monday, Wednesday, Friday. The job fair timing is 2 p.m. and the same day interview timing is 2 p.m. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. The job fair timing is 2 p.m. and the same day if you want to go for the interview, the timing is 5 p.m. When you visit our company, you will get that yellow ticket, which means you're gonna do the challenge to the interview company, and same day you will get the blue ticket, which means you can have free lunch in our cafeteria. For example, this is a food processing factory. Location is Chiba, and the main work here is to pack the fishes, do the weight, and then the shipping. And they need the Japanese languages N2, and the salary is 2,31,000 yen from 2,51,000 yen. The timing is from 12 to 9, and if you're interested to give interview in this company, you can contact us on that number 0362068058. Thank you.